Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Journey Key fob. Programming a new key fob can seem complicated, but with the right instructions, it is a straightforward process. We will go over the precise steps you need to follow to successfully link a new remote to your vehicle, ensuring you can lock, unlock, and start your car with ease. Before you begin, it is absolutely crucial to have two existing, working key fobs that are already programmed to your vehicle. This specific method relies on these two fobs to initiate the programming sequence for a new, third remote. Without two functional fobs, this do-it-yourself procedure will not work, and you will need an alternative solution. To start, insert your first programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position for at least 3 seconds, but no more than 15 seconds. Then, turn it to lock and remove it. Immediately, within 15 seconds, insert your second programmed key and turn it to on. After about 10 seconds, you will hear a chime and the security light will flash. Turn the ignition OFF and remove the second key. Now, within 60 seconds, insert your new unprogrammed key, turn it to on, and wait for another chime and flashing light. Finally, turn the ignition OFF, remove the key, and test your newly programmed fob. If you find yourself with only one working key fob, or perhaps none at all, the do-it-yourself method we just discussed will not be possible. In such cases, your best course of action is to contact a professional. An automotive locksmith or your local dealership possesses the specialized diagnostic equipment required to program new key fobs for your vehicle, ensuring proper functionality and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.